A little bit more about ancillary industries. Working capital has been a challenge for many small businesses. The government has announced relief in packages in order to support these industries during the COVID-19 pandemic. Obviously, associated with that, you see increase in raw material costs, significant increase. Higher employee costs because they want a risk benefit, if you will, for delivering these ancillary supplies. We have greater costs because we have more idle capacity. We cannot get the materials, therefore we can't run the lines, hence we have increased idle capacity cost, and obviously associated with that, higher logistics costs, just moving material from the factories to the airport or to the warehouse or getting it to the patient. As my colleague Rajendra has said, transportation cost has more than tripled. Next slide. Disruption in vendor support. Obviously, restriction of movement of service engineers. That is the people who calibrate our instruments, repair our systems. They were not allowed to travel and move. So that created a problem in getting our equipment serviced and repaired in a timely way. It also disrupted our capacity to get spare parts for critical equipment. Some of the things that we did in partnership with the government and regulators is to get special permission from the authorities to allow these engineers and these parts to move because they were essential. We made quarantine arrangements for essential personnel so that they could get to the sites and repair the equipment, calibrate the equipment so that it didn't further impact our capacity to produce essential medicines. And obviously, during this, we provided full body protective equipment for all of our service personnel as well as our internal personnel.